Ever wondered what data cleaning in data science means? Picture yourself standing in a kitchen filled with fresh ingredients for a recipe. Before starting to cook, you'd need to wash, peel, and chop your ingredients, right? Well, in the world of data science, data cleaning is somewhat similar. It's the process of preparing your ingredients, in this case, raw data, for further analysis and processing. Data cleaning, also known as data cleansing or data scrubbing, is the first and a crucial step in the data science lifecycle. It involves identifying and rectifying errors, inaccuracies, and inconsistencies in datasets to improve their quality and efficiency. Now you might wonder why it's so important. Imagine trying to make sense of a report filled with incorrect or missing information. Frustrating, isn't it? This is the reason why data cleaning is so crucial in data science. So, how does one go about cleaning data? Here's a step-by-step guide to the process. Step 1. Remove duplicate data. Duplicate data can skew analysis and lead to inaccurate results. Therefore, the first step in data cleaning involves identifying and removing these duplicates. Step 2. Handle missing data. Missing data can be a result of various factors such as human errors or system glitches. Depending on the nature and extent of missing data, it's either filled in using various imputation methods or removed from the dataset. Step 3. Correct inconsistent data. Inconsistencies in data could be due to various reasons, including different data entry conventions, typos, or mislabeling. Correcting these inconsistencies is critical to ensure accurate analysis. Step 4. Validate and verify data accuracy. This involves cross-checking data with a reliable source or using rules and algorithms to ensure that the data is accurate. Step 5. Format and standardize data. This final step involves putting the data in a consistent form or format that's easy to understand and analyze. To sum up, data cleaning is a fundamental step in the data science process, akin to preparing ingredients before cooking a meal. It involves 5 key steps: removing duplicate data, handling missing data, correcting inconsistent data, validating and verifying data accuracy, and finally, formatting and standardizing the data. By meticulously cleaning data, you ensure that the subsequent analysis is accurate, reliable, and efficient. Remember, a clean dataset is like a well-prepared set of ingredients. It's the foundation for a successful and delicious data science project. So, the next time you come across a messy dataset, don't fret. Just remember these steps and get cleaning. After all, as they say in the culinary world, the secret ingredient is always love. In data science, it's clean data.